What's up YouTube, it's your boy Ben Windsor TV2 and today we are on blah blah blah. What's up YouTube, it's your boy Ben Windsor TV2 and today I've got another unboxing for you guys. So you know when someone messages you through and says they're not interested in buying something? Yeah, brilliant. That text literally just came through right now. But anyway, let's get back to the issue in hand. What we're unboxing today is the women's Air Jordan 1 black toes, also known as the Satin toes. Now this was a really hyped colorway that was only released in women's sizes, so that made getting it even harder, especially if you got a decent size. Now I do have to admit, the size that we're unboxing today is a UK 4.5 or a US women's 5.5, but I literally just entered the raffle. I was up on a Saturday morning on the Nike app, and as you can see there, so it's out of focus and shit, but yeah, it was purchased there, and it's actually the only time I've ever actually been able to cop something off the Nike app. Now recently I even went to the Nike Sneakers Day in London and I was running around looking for things, and I went all the way to Tottenham, got up at 6 AM to go there, and they ended up locking it off because it was just absolute chaos. So I'll also include a video of that probably at the end of this video, just because people are going to start to get annoyed that I'm not actually unboxing this yet, but we'll crack on with the unboxing now. And yeah, it was just a madness. So today for the unboxing we've got the shank, and we have got this shank. This is not no normal shank, this is a Matre Rostingen Soligen kitchen shank. So with this in mind, we are now going to get this open, and one thing I'm going to be careful to do with this is try and not fuck up the box. So yeah, it says pull for freshness. Maybe we don't even need a knife. Oh, we definitely do. This is risky. Now I've got to be so careful to try and not fuck up the thing below. There we go. And I will hide all information about my personal whereabouts. I'm actually even doing it on a black towel here because I don't know, my bed's not skanky enough, but it is a bit creased up. So what we have here, these satin black toes. The box is nice. It's a nice black Nike box. Yeah, so UK 4.5. Oh, it's actually a USA 7. Shit, I completely misread the sizes there. Well, I'm meeting a guy in there now. Hopefully that's still fine. I think it should be. But yeah, we have the shoe box here. It's a nice box. Get that out of the way. Get the shank out of there. Get you a 5-year sentence in London for something like that around. And there we have that. We have a stamped box there. And again, everything looks nice. Now these are actually tiny. I mean, they're alright. They're alright. So, we have the satin toes here, and to be honest, I'm not the hugest fan of Jordans. Like, they're alright, but they're not really my kind of shoe. And you have this satin finish here as well with the Air Jordan there. This is actually the first pair of Jordans that I've ever picked up. All in all, it's just like a standard pair of trainers. In about an hour's time, I'm actually going into central London to go and meet someone who I've sold these to, and they're going to be paying £540 British pounds, which is about $700. So the resale on them is mad, and as I said, when I got them through, I was like, yes boy, next month's rent half covered. But yeah, I mean, they're okay. They're okay. I would say if you've got the money, even if I was a millionaire, I wouldn't pay the money that the people are paying resale for these. But as I said, Jordans ain't my thing. But if they are your thing, and you've got the money, and you're in a size that can fit, then why not? Got the nice little Nike swoosh there. It's kind of got a baby blue finish there, and it's leather. And for some reason I was expecting like suede or a satin thing there, but the only satin finish is on this side of the back of the trainer here. But yeah, pretty dope. I'll get the other one out just for reference there. As I said, I'm a size 10, so these look like baby shoes compared to my feet. But yeah, they're not too bad. In all honesty, probably not worth the money. But if you like them, you like them. And you know, fuck it, if you like them, cop them. Why not? Life is too short. If you really like something, go for it. But obviously sort out all your other shit first. So yeah, we have that there today then. And that is the Air Jordan 1's women's satin black toes. You've been watching Ben Wizard TV 2 again. Thank you again for watching. And I'll link the Nike video in Tottenham of it literally going mad because I don't know what Nike were trying to do, but they were trying to cause riots or some shit, but the whole thing got locked off. And I spent the whole day chasing around just to get nothing. And my flatmate went into work and managed to just get 2 pairs by just having the drop next to his office. So it is how it is sometimes, but that's how life works. And then, you know, the next time I'm sure that Nike had some sort of algorithm which made me get lucky with these. But yeah, thanks again for watching, guys. You've been watching Ben Wizard TV 2. Please hit the like and subscribe button for more. Peace out. Safe. Let me do that again. Peace out. Safe.
Yo, this is gonna get locked up.